What if I told you that while you're watching this video right now, thousands of people are earning $100 or more every single day without actively working for it? Not in a month, not in a week, but every single day. That's an extra $3,000 per month or $3,600 per year flowing into their bank accounts while they sleep, travel, or spend time with family. The best part? I've personally tested every single method I'm about to share with you. These aren't theoretical ideas or get-rich-quick schemes. These are proven passive income strategies that real people, including myself, are using right now. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to reveal 7 legitimate ways you can start building a $100 per day passive income stream, even if you're starting with limited time, knowledge, or money. If you've been struggling to break free from the 9-to-5 grind or just want to create additional income streams to secure your financial future, this might be the most important video you watch this year. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new here, my name is Shamim, and I help everyday people create sustainable passive income streams. Before we dive in, let's get something straight. Passive income doesn't mean zero effort. Every method I'm about to share requires upfront work and some ongoing maintenance. The difference is that with passive income, you're not directly trading hours for dollars. You build assets that work for you 24/7. I've personally gone from living paycheck to paycheck to generating multiple passive income streams that collectively bring in over $5,000 per month. And today, I'm sharing the exact blueprint for how you can create your first $100 daily passive income stream. We'll cover options for different starting budgets, skill levels, and time commitments. Whether you have $100 or $10,000 to invest, there's something here for you. Let's get started with method number 1. One of the most accessible ways to generate passive income is by creating and selling digital products. Unlike physical products, digital products have virtually zero reproduction costs and can be sold infinitely. Here are some digital products that are currently in high demand. 1 ebooks on specialized topics, 2 digital planners and templates, 3 stock photography or video footage, 4 online courses or workshops, 5 printable artwork or planners, 6 music or sound effects. For example, I created a marketing course that teaches marketing skills. After spending about 4 months creating it, this single product now generates an average of $5,000 per month with minimal ongoing work. The key is to create something that solves a specific problem for a specific audience. Don't try to appeal to everyone. Niching down almost always leads to better conversion rates and higher profits. To get started, identify your skills and knowledge areas, research what problems your target audience is facing, and create digital products that provide solutions. Dividend investing is one of the most traditional forms of passive income, and for good reason. Companies share a portion of their profits with shareholders in the form of dividends. To generate $100 per day from dividends alone, about $36,500 per year, you'd need a substantial investment portfolio, roughly $913,000 invested at a 4% dividend yield. However, don't let that discourage you. You can start with any amount and gradually build up. Many people start with dividend ETFs like mentioned 2 to 3 popular dividend ETFs, which provide instant diversification across many dividend-paying companies. Alternatively, you can build a portfolio of individual dividend aristocrats, companies that have increased their dividends consistently for at least 25 years. The beauty of dividend investing is that you can reinvest your dividends to buy more shares, creating a powerful compounding effect over time. Many of my viewers who started with just $100 a month 5 years ago are now earning several $100s in quarterly dividends. Remember, dividend investing is a long-term strategy, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Start early, be consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. Print on demand is a business model where you create designs, but products are only printed and shipped when a customer makes a purchase. This means zero inventory, zero shipping hassles, and very little upfront cost. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Redbubble make it easy to get started. You can create designs for t-shirts, mugs, posters, phone cases, and hundreds of other products. The key to success with print on demand is creating designs that resonate with specific niches or communities. For example, I created designs targeted at specific niche, and they've consistently generated between $1 amount per month with essentially no ongoing work. You don't need to be a professional designer either. Tools like Canva make it easy to create simple designs, or you can hire freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork for more complex work. The profit margins aren't huge, typically $5–15 per item, but when you have dozens or hundreds of designs selling consistently, it adds up quickly. One of my students reached the $100 per day mark after creating about 200 designs over a 6-month period. Affiliate marketing is essentially earning commissions by recommending products or services. When someone purchases through your unique affiliate link, you earn a percentage of the sale. The most sustainable way to approach affiliate marketing is by creating valuable content around topics you're passionate about. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or even just an Instagram account. For example, I started a blog about food and recommend products I genuinely use and love. Some of these affiliate programs pay commissions of 30% or more, and others offer recurring commissions for subscription services. The key is to focus on helping your audience solve problems and only recommend products you truly believe in. Build trust first, and the sales will follow naturally. To reach $100 per day with affiliate marketing, you'll need to create consistent content, build an audience, and strategically promote higher ticket products or services with good commission structures. It typically takes 6 to 12 months of consistent effort before affiliate income becomes more passive. Real estate is a time-tested passive income strategy, but not everyone has the capital to purchase properties. Fortunately, there are several ways to generate rental income without buying entire buildings. 1. Rent out a spare room on Airbnb. This can generate $500 to $2,000 per month, depending on your location. 2. Rent out your car on Turo or Getaround. Some car owners make $500 or $1,000 per month this way. 3. Rent out storage space with Neighbor.com. If you have unused garage or basement space, you can rent it out for storage. 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate with as little as $10. 5. REITs, real estate investment trusts. These trade like stocks and pay dividends from rental income. I personally started with marketing and now generate approximately $500 per month from my various rental streams. The advantage of these rental income strategies is that they typically have higher returns than many other passive investments, though they do come with their own set of challenges and risks. YouTube automation involves creating a YouTube channel where you outsource most or all of the content creation process. This includes research, script writing, video editing, and even voiceovers. The model works by creating searchable, evergreen content that continues to generate views and ad revenue for years. Topics like how-to guides, listicles, and informational content tend to perform best for this model. The model works by creating searchable, evergreen content that continues to generate views and ad revenue for years. Topics like how-to guides, listicles, and informational content tend to perform best for this model. To make this truly passive, you'll need to 1. Research profitable niches with high CPM. 2. Hire freelancers for content creation through platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. 3. Develop systems and templates to maintain consistent quality. 4. Reinvest initial earnings to scale up content production. While this requires a significant upfront investment of time and some money, successful automation channels can generate $100+ per day from ad revenue alone, not including potential affiliate commissions or product sales. One important note: YouTube's policies are constantly evolving, so you'll need to stay updated and ensure your content adds genuine value to viewers. Creating a subscription-based product or community can generate extremely predictable recurring revenue. While building software, SaaS, requires technical skills or the budget to hire developers, creating a membership community is accessible to almost anyone with specialized knowledge. For example, you could create a membership site that offers premium content and resources, group coaching calls, community forums, templates, and tools. The beauty of the subscription model is its predictability. If you have 100 members paying $30 per month, that's a reliable $3,000 monthly income. Building a successful membership requires 1. Identifying a specific audience with a specific problem. 2. Creating valuable content and resources. 3. Fostering a sense of community. 4. Continually adding value to justify the ongoing subscription. While this requires more ongoing work than some other methods, much of it can be systematized or delegated once you reach a certain scale. Many successful membership owners spend just 5 to 10 hours per week maintaining their communities while generating full-time incomes. An automated webinar funnel allows you to sell digital products or courses on autopilot. Here's how it works. 1. Create a valuable webinar that teaches your audience something useful. 2. Set it up to run automatically at scheduled times using platforms like EverWebinar. 3. Include a compelling offer for your product at the end. 4. Set up email sequences to follow up with attendees. The beauty of this system is that once it's set up, it can run 24/7 without your direct involvement. You're essentially creating a sales team that never sleeps. While creating the webinar and sales funnel requires significant upfront work, the ongoing maintenance is minimal. Many successful entrepreneurs generate 100+ per day from a single well-optimized webinar funnel. This strategy works best when you already have a digital product and are looking to scale your sales process. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these passive income methods interests you the most? Drop a comment below letting me know which one you're planning to try first, or if you're already implementing any of these strategies. If you've already created passive income streams, I'd love to hear about your experience. What's working for you? What challenges have you faced? Your insights could be incredibly valuable to others in our community. Also, I'm curious, what's your passive income goal? Are you looking to generate enough to cover a specific expense like your rent or car payment? Or are you working toward complete financial freedom? Let me know in the comments. Based on your feedback, I'll create more in-depth videos on the methods you're most interested in. My goal is to provide actionable content that helps you achieve real results. If you found value in this video, please take a second to hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more people who could benefit from this information. And if you're serious about creating passive income streams and want to follow along on my journey while building your own, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. I'll be diving deeper into each of these methods with step-by-step tutorials and case studies. For those who want to accelerate their passive income journey, I've created a free PDF guide with detailed breakdowns of these 7 strategies, including resources, tools, and actionable next steps. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, building passive income takes time and consistent effort, but the financial freedom it creates is absolutely worth it. I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into the topic of next video. Stay focused, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.